Good morning, family. What's going on? All right, so I just wanted to hop on here really quickly for this really quick intro. So this particular video, you guys, I decided to do a wig install. It's not going to be a full complete wig install. I'm just kind of going through what I do to do like a protective style as far as like on my hair. And the only reason why is because I've had a lot of questions on Instagram, and a lot of people kind of ask me about it because I do my wigs myself. I don't go anywhere or anything like that. I've just been doing it for so long. I know how to do it. I was asked about, can anyone wear wigs? Yes, they can. Anyone can wear a wig. It really just depends on the type of wig that you get, what fits your style, but do what makes you happy either which way. But again, I decided to kind of like just share that because yeah, I wear wigs, I wear protective styles. I don't wear it all the time, but when I do, as far as like lace fronts and stuff like that, I try to make it as realistic as possible. So yeah, I don't know if you can kind of like tell or whatever like that, but I just kind of, like I said, I've been doing it for so long. So this particular video is about my wig and how I do it, what I use, stuff like that. So I thought it would be a nice, fun video to kind of like let you know what I do, because it's not just all, bags and sneakers and stuff like that. So if you like this video, if you want to see more of it, just let me know, okay? Subscribe below, you guys. I greatly appreciate you for watching the video. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. But I thought it was fun to do, and hopefully you can kind of learn something from it. But yeah, let's get to it. Hey family, hey, what's going on? All right, so right about now I am actually just trying to dry the little bit of Got2b glue that I applied to my head or skin or whatever. So basically what I do is, I don't know why I don't have a blow dryer, but basically what I do is I kind of just add the glue, and then I spray a little bit of either Got2b glue or the other holding spray. I also go in underneath the wig and put some bobby pins in. I try my best not to use those combs because they can be very, very harsh on kind of like neck area of your hair. And I've had bad experiences with that before because I always think that, I can use it, it's secure, but that is actually not the way to go. But that's what I normally do. Hey family, what's going on? All right, so this hair I've had for, a good while or whatever like that. I got it from Amazon, and let me show you. All right, so I kind of saved the packaging or whatever, that way if you have any questions. So this is it right here. If you guys wanted to know, it is the Letitia. It is literally HD lace. It's 1B, and I really like it. So it actually comes like this. It comes literally really curled and styled, and they have so many different colors. Like I said, I went with the 1B because I think it just fits me. I used to do color like back in the day or whatever like that. Like if you guys knew me back in the day, like this is the color that I think I went with. It was actually much redder than that or whatever. But yeah, so I'm not opposed to color. I like to see it or whatever like that. So I literally just came back from getting like a not fixed, but no refill on my lashes or whatever like that. I just came back from having my wand replaced because for some reason it's like messed up or whatever. So I try to be very detailed when I'm doing my wigs because I literally want it to look like it's coming out of my scalp. And not that I care if it's not, but I just like the look. Yes, I like the look. So I'm very detail oriented when it comes to this. And then what I like to do is I like to take like a Q-tip with some alcohol. Oh my gosh, I think I just ripped that. But I like to take a Q-tip with some alcohol and then kind of wipe it down. And for some reason it kind of like sticks a little bit better. But this is in no way, shape, or form a tutorial, because this will be like a very long 3 to 4 hour video. I just know what I do because I literally have been doing it for so long, and I practice. I literally practice forever. And I've gotten, I think, a little bit decent at it. So yeah. All right, so for the most part, what I use to lay my wig down or whatever is actually this bonding glue and this extreme hold adhesive glue. I kind of like let that sit after I put this on, so on and so forth or whatever like that. Then I go back once I do that and I just kind of like take a Q-tip and I just clean off like the edges so you can't really see any glue or anything like that. But you know, if you look, like, it looks like it's growing out of my scalp, and I'm here for it, all right? If you hear any noise in the background, that's just a family. So kids, husband, he's probably the biggest kid, but either which way, that's just what's going on. So yeah, I'm just trying to get myself situated before I have to leave. That way I don't have to worry about anything. What I like to do is, because like I said, if you look at this, it came like this right here. And what I do is I let the curls, or I keep the curls in for as long as I possibly can. And then once I take it off, or once I've taken it off before, I kind of just like wash it. But first what I do is like I take all the glue off with like alcohol, just regular alcohol or whatever like that, and I'll take a Q-tip, wipe all the edges or whatever. And so what I did was I actually started to I haven't curled it yet because for some reason it doesn't curl properly or whatever. I'm still trying to like maneuver that. And I think it's just because of the hair, because it's not real, it is synthetic, but you can still curl it. You just have to find the best curling iron or whatever like that to do that. But what I like to do is I like to actually go through and take my daughter's. She got this from Target. It is the Conair Infinity Pro, and it is a blow dryer, and it's like amazing. It gets really hot. She takes care of her stuff, you guys. So she kept everything on there, including the protective outlet thing or whatever. So I'm gonna keep it just as it is, and I'm going to respect how she does it or whatever like that. So I'm gonna just take this off and then start to show you how I straighten it or whatever. So now I kind of just decide if I want to part it down the middle or to the side. And I'm a side part kind of girl. So I actually like the way it looks to the side. But I would suggest definitely keeping a comb or a brush with you at all times, because again, because it's not 100% human hair, it is actually 100% premium fiber. So yeah, I would definitely just keep like a comb, a brush, or whatever like that, just to kind of like, you know, comb it out, especially on windy days, because it will get very tangly, you guys. But yeah, so that's it. That's what I do. And then if I want to, then I'll just do, I'm not really a baby hair kind of person or whatever like that. I really don't do it because I really don't know how to maintain that. That's the only thing. I don't do the baby hairs or whatever. But if it comes out, it comes out, and I'm fine with it or whatever like that. I'll just try to do what I can. But other than that, you know, Like I said, I like having my eyebrows done because I think it makes it look, you know, like I have a little bit of makeup. And then if I went ahead and put some lip gloss on or whatever like that, then I'll do that. I recently purchased some oil-free eyeliner because that's what I was told to kind of wear when it comes to my lashes or whatever like that. But yeah, that's it. That is it. That is it. That is it. Oh, I recently picked up, and I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna have to redo this, but I recently picked this lip gloss that Kate Spade currently literally just collabed with Clinique. And you guys know I love Clinique and I love Kate Spade. But Kate Spade collabed with Clinique and they came out with a lip gloss. So lip gloss is always my go-to and I love it, but they recently came out with a brand new lip gloss that I'm here for. So this is their Clinique Pop Plush Creamy Lip Gloss. And I love the packaging. And if you're a Kate Spade person, you are fully aware of all of the designs that Kate Spade has when it comes to their bags and everything like that. You have the stripes, you have the polka dots, which they're synonymous for, whatever like that. And I love. So this is what it looks like. This is the top and I love it. This particular one is actually number 4 and it's a juicy apple pop. So I really like that. I like the way it looks on me because it actually resembles this color that I normally wear from Clinique. And for some reason, I actually started wearing this and I didn't realize I was gonna love it so much. It's a number 13 Love Pop. So that's actually really cute and I like that. As you can see, you know, Clinique actually kind of played off, you know, their normal lip colors or whatever like that. And this number 13 goes so well with the number 4. So I might either mix and match that, but I really love this color because it might replace, not necessarily like permanently, but just during summertime, if I just want to like, you know, pop on some like lip gloss or whatever, I'm going to put this on instead of actually putting on a brighter lip color. And then this one is actually number 7, which is their Air Kiss Pop. This is more like a lip gloss. So it's a neutral, you know, once you blend it in, you won't really see it or whatever like that. But if you're trying to have like that moisturized look or whatever, you can put it over your lipstick or whatever like that and it'll look really nice. So yeah. All right, so I don't know, I might go ahead and change to a middle part or whatever. But this comes in layers and I like that. But yeah, so you guys can see. You can't even tell that this is not my hair. So yeah, this is coming out my scalp. You can't tell me anything. I love it. I love the way I think my hair is pretty much set. And I think what I like to do is I like to just take out a little bit. But yeah. I think I'm going with like the middle part, you guys. I think it looks cute.
All right, family, that is it. Hopefully you liked the video. Hopefully I did a good job. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.